To set and volume up keys as mute all sounds in Samsung Galaxy S20. Open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select advanced settings, tap set and volume up keys, and then you must turn on set and volume up key switch. You must turn on set and volume up keys first. Tap switch until on or until blue. If off, tap switch until blue or until on, and then tap mute all sound switch until blue to enable, disable or disable other option. Okay, if you quickly press the set and volume up keys at the same time, mute all sound will be enabled. For example, mute all sound, and if press again, mute all sound will be turned off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.